Thanks for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video, you already know what it's going to be about, the unboxing of Peerless extensions. Not to get them confused with Peerless hair, which is an AliExpress company. Peerless extension is a US based company. But before I get into that, just a quick little rundown. I got a wedding coming up in 4 weeks. Yay! Woo woo! Anyway, so I've been looking for like some bomb ass hair. Like I just need my hair to be slayed, everything it can be. I want that hair to be light. So after many searches and videos and reviews, reading reviews and all that, I came across a video done by Ivy. It was called a Get Ready With Me Birthday Slay. In that video, she was wearing this beautiful, gorgeous, straight hair that she curled from Peerless extensions. So, of course, you know I had to click on them and find out what they were all about. So I looked for reviews on them. I didn't find too many, but I did find some because I had to search through and make sure I picked the ones that says Peerless extension, not Peerless hair. So after, going through the reviews and then looking on their website and everything, I decided like, okay, I'm going to go with them, and so I ordered. So let's get right into the video. So I placed my order on June 14th. The hair arrived June 22nd. So that's about 8 days, not bad at all. It arrived through United States Postal Service, USPS, and it came priority mail. And this is the cute little box that it came in. And on their box is their name and their website. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm so excited. So once you open the box, I'm clumsy, y'all. It looks like that. So let's see. First things in here is their thank you for shopping with us card, which is really cute. And also hair care tips on the back. I cannot stress enough that if the company sends you hair care tips or certain products you need to use, please use them, because it makes a big difference on the, how your hair turns out and how long it lasts. Because believe me, I've had hair that I ignored it and it made a big difference, so I won't do that anymore. And this is a little card that they send with it. Talking about their bundle deals starting at $245, and then of course your invoice. Now I got the 3 bundle deals, so it was 16, 18, and 20 inches, and then the 14-inch frontal. So let's start with the frontal. Now usually with my frontals, I usually don't bleach the knots. I just do the foundation method, depending on the frontal. But that's usually how I go. I have bleached some in the past, but rarely. And this is the 14-inch frontal, which it looks really good, you guys. Look at that. And it smells good. It's not that corn chip smell, which I absolutely hate. Now, I like corn chips, don't get me wrong. But on my hair, don't want my hair smelling like that. No way. Not today. And I'm running my fingers through it. Nothing, well, just one. I guess that, to be, and that's another thing shedding is to be expected. Even if it's your real hair or extensions, you're gonna get some shedding. Like, the best thing to do is you seal your knots. If you are really worried about that, that's what I usually do when I do sew-ins. I seal my knots on my extensions. But just a couple strands to begin with, I'm not really worried about that because they're gonna be shedding. And let's see how it looks next to my skin tone. Not bad at all. So we're off to a good start. The frontal, I am pleased with. Let's go to let me pull them all out first so you can see the little bags that came in. Each length came in a little bag with the number on there of the length. So let's start with the 16-inch. 16-inch. Smells good as well. That's how the webs look. And their ends look really good as well. I always check the ends because Just you just don't understand. It makes a difference. But the 16-inch looks great. I am pleased with that. So let's go to the 18 inches. 18. That's what the bulbs look like on the 18. Not bad. It looks pretty thick actually. And this is 18 inches. Same thing. Smells good. Oh, that's a little fuzz ball. No shedding. Okay, now let's get to the 20 inches. Okay, I see you, 20. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And the weft on that is really good for 20 inches. And me putting it up here, I'm 5'7", and the 20 inches comes down to my hip. So that's really good. So with this unboxing and the hair itself, like the frontal and the hair and everything, you guys, my initial review, like, I love it. It's thick, not too thick, and I am very pleased. The ends is good, the smell is good, the color is like a natural color. So I am excited. I cannot wait to install this. I don't know yet if I'm gonna turn it into a wig or I'm gonna do a sew-in, but either way, I am gonna do a review on the hair, like how it holds up with styling and everything. I'm definitely gonna do that. And as far as the frontal, I know I am gonna pluck some more, so I might do a video on that, on how I pluck it, and if I definitely bleach it, I will do a video on that. So you guys just gotta stay tuned. Sorry, y'all, I was a little parched, but thank you. I cannot thank you guys enough for watching my review. So like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, y'all, because I'm gonna have more videos. See you in my next video. Might as well go ahead and finish this. I mean, it's Sunday, I ain't doing them. You guys, this is the no judging zone, okay? I'm planning a wedding. I'm in the South. I'm planning a wedding up north, where I'm originally from. It's stressful, so it's gonna be plenty of red cups within these next 4 weeks, so no judging. Am I done? Jim, I need to teach you how to help me record. Like, that's gonna be teaching Jim how to take pictures and record Tay 101. Damn it, I can't do this. I think I need an assistant. Is this in our budget, Jim? Jim? He just thinks I'm too much, y'all.